Hey, what's up? Welcome to the channel. I had to do this video for you. It's kind of timely for Bitcoin. I just want to do the Bitcoin update. And I called to be cautious up around in here. The market was testing this high to high trend line, and I just wanted to point out a really key support resistance level. I really specialize in the support and resistance, and I just wanted to highlight this one I'm looking at now on Bitcoin. We came down to a nice support zone. Again, I have the nice parallel channel here that we've tested a few times, and you can see we had a nice reversal candle here um, Friday, and then what really got me interested too was this downtrend line that we're um, breaking above now, and we have I'm sure there's some divergence here if you're in a divergence. But we're also coming off of a retest of the prior high that we made early last year. Looks like the March high. And it was also the test of the previous all-time highs here. Looks like October, November 21. So we tested both of those highs there. It's going to be a major support zone. But I didn't uh, I didn't buy this low, and I'm not going to buy this breakout because this resistance zone right above us is just massive. And I say that, you know, just to be aware of it. Like if you do want to take this, I would expect it to get up here because these kind of zones act like a magnet. So I would say there's a really high probability of it making it up to this area. And there's also a good chance it reverses there. But what I really um, would be interested in, I wouldn't be interested in selling the reversal here. I mean, we can get into that. But what I'm looking for is a breakout above here. Because if we see that, then that could be the start of a whole nother rally to the upside. Yeah, when you take out a move like that and retest it, yeah, this thing could just keep on going. So, Bitcoin bull, I think a solid move above this area from looks like 89,000 to say 93,000. So about a 4,000 point zone there. Um, could lead to another really nice rally up, at least to test the highs. More than likely just to keep on going for a while, possibly up into to the highs of that channel would be a good target whenever it gets there. So that's what I'm looking for. Some people might buy here, and then this target, this resistant whack. Well, this might act as a resistance. I'm sure it's not going to ignore it completely, and then maybe it'll come back down and retest that trend line, and then go to break it up to break out. But until that's taken out for me, I'd feel more comfortable buying after a breakout above there. And then, of course, if it double tops and breaks through there again, then that would be a major sell-off. But that's the zone to watch. So say 90, 93,000. And we can zoom in a little bit here on the daily. That was a weekly chart. This was a trade I had last week. Going opposite, going into that resistance. Like I said, this is some very key resistance now. But this is I wanted to share that with you too. Just these two rectangles here. So like the rectangle here, the pink rectangle is essentially your stop. So that's where I'm getting in, breaking below that. And here's my target, this light blue. And then my stop is the pink box. So um, it's a great way to know what your risk is and to find your reward. So I think this that was 2 times my risk. So 2R. So essentially the pink box was your R risk, and then this was your reward, double that. So it's a good rule of thumb to keep your risk about half your reward. So you want to be able to get that. So like if you're buying this breakout here and this is your target, well, then you don't have a lot of wiggle room here. So, but if we're getting a breakout above here, then our stop's going to be below there. So, and I would be expecting a bigger move. But yeah, this is going to be a key resistance until it's taken out. So that's important. And if this trend line here is taken out and it starts building the strength to break above that, then that could be a really nice move back up. Like we do have that channel there, which is really good. New all-time highs. Really nice retest, this channel. So a lot of good things, but I'd be afraid to buy it right now because this resistance zone is really good. So, but a move above that, say we get a day completely above 93,000, I'd say that's a pretty safe bet. And hopefully you get a retest, but you might not. So you might want to consider an entry on a day above here, and then plan to add some more on a pullback into here, and then maybe some more on a breakout above that. But yeah, it'll be a key area to keep an eye on. So I just wanted to share that with you, and yeah, I hope you have a good night, and hope this helps. All right, thanks.